I'm currently working on a project and I need a circle of glass. And so let me just real quickly show you how to get a circle out of a piece of glass. It's kind of hard to do actually because to get the circle out, a lot of times you'll break the circle because it's it's in the middle of the glass and you can't just cut straight across. So this is a inexpensive circle cutter. I'll put a link to it in the description in case you would like to purchase one, but I think it was like $10 or something like that. But you set this, you can set the width here and just make sure that it's inside your glass. You want about a 1/2 inch all the way around. And then pop that suction cup down. One firm motion and kind of run over the end just a little bit like that. Okay, now the secret to getting this out of here is have it on a little bit of a stack of newspaper, and you probably should have a glove on, but just push down. Oh wait, flip it over and then push down and you'll hear it pop. Flip it back over, go around it again. Alright, so that's got the circle loose. Now we just have to free it up. So take your regular just plain glass cutter and cut out from the edge of that circle. Now if you've got some running pliers, you can use those. If not, you can just flip it over again, push down like that, and then pick them up. And that's your circle cut. Alright, so that's it. Hope that was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.